Understanding piano bench repair. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that might come up in everyday conversations or specific contexts: piano bench repair. We'll break down the meaning, usage, and context of this phrase to help you understand and use it correctly. Let's get started. Piano bench repair refers to the process of fixing or restoring a piano bench. A piano bench is the seat used by pianists when playing the piano. Like any other piece of furniture, piano benches can wear out or break over time, requiring repair. This could involve fixing structural damage, tightening loose parts, or reupholstering the seat to make it look new again. Repairing a piano bench is important for several reasons. Comfort. A stable and comfortable bench is essential for pianists to maintain proper posture and play for long periods without discomfort. Aesthetics. A well-maintained bench contributes to the overall appearance of the piano and the room it's in. Preservation. Repairing an older bench can preserve its historical value, especially if it's an antique or matches the piano. Piano bench repair can vary depending on the damage. Here are some common steps involved. Assessment. Identifying the issues with the bench, such as loose legs or torn upholstery. Disassembly. Taking apart the bench if necessary to address internal or structural issues. Repair or replacement. Fixing broken parts or replacing them with new ones. Finishing touches. Reupholstering the seat or refinishing the wood to restore its original look. Some people opt for DIY, do-it-yourself, repairs if the damage is minor and they have the necessary skills. This can be a rewarding and cost-effective option. However, for significant damage or for antique benches, it's often best to seek professional repair services to ensure the bench is properly restored and preserved. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, piano bench repair, and why it's an important aspect of piano maintenance. Whether you're a pianist, a furniture enthusiast, or simply curious about English phrases, understanding these specific terms can enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.